Kolkata, a city where football runs as deeply as the Hooghly River. For decades, Mohun Bagan and East Bengal have set the stage, with Mohammedan sporting being the third pillar of tradition. But now, after all these years, a new challenger has emerged to the battlefield. A new challenger known by the name of Diamond Harbour Football Club, a team that was founded just 5 years ago. Diamond Harbour FC have been making all the noise in the Durand Cup. Now, can this team rise from the shadows of these giants and make a name for themselves in this football crazy city? Well, that's exactly what I tried finding out in this video, as I once again traveled all the way to Kolkata to watch the Group B clash of this year's Durand Cup, played between Diamond Harbour FC and Mohun Bagan. Mohun Bagan, a team that was clearly one of the favorites to lift this year's Durand Cup, against a team that was just founded 5 years ago, like I said. So with that being said, this was my first ever experience of witnessing Diamond Harbour FC live in action, a team that I have been really wanting to watch for quite some time now. So yeah, let's just directly get into this video without any further delay. Let's go. Everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome to a brand new match day vlog, match day video from this Durand Cup tour, and welcome from the city of joy. मेरे पीछे जो है मोहन बागान की जूनियर टीम अभी खेल रही है. मैं खड़ा हूँ मोहन बागान टेंट के बाहर, जहाँ पे मैं अभी बस डायमंड हार्बर वर्सेस मोहन बागान की जो मैच है आज, उस मैच का जो टिकट है वो कलेक्ट करके बस यहाँ पे आया हूँ. एंड आई एम वाचिंग दिस गेम एज द जूनियर टीम आर इन एक्शन राइट बिहाइंड मी. It is officially match day here once again in the city of joy in Kolkata itself. We're going to watch Mohun Bagan for the very first time in a long while, which is honestly याद भी नहीं आ रहा last time मैं कब आया था, क्योंकि ISL final भी देखने नहीं आया इस बार. But yeah, we're here for the Durand Cup and match starts from 7 PM. It is currently 4 PM. It's currently 5 PM. Sorry, मैं थोड़ा बैग गया था मैच देखते. It's currently 5 PM and the tickets have been collected. And now all that's left to do is go to the stadium and watch today's match. So welcome back to the channel and welcome to another match day vlog from Durand Cup 2025 tour. Look where we are once again, back at the Mohun Bagan club. I love coming to this place. I love coming to this place. I also have a photo with Liston Kolasa which I clicked somewhere around here itself. So yeah, we're gonna take a walk around this place and see what's happening inside. First today no one's here, but yeah, let's take a walk. All by myself here. Hard to believe that I still haven't watched a match in this ground. एक ना एक दिन ज़रूर देखेंगे, बट वही टाइमिंग नहीं होता, टाइमिंग मैच नहीं होता तो बहुत कॉन्सिक्वेंस नहीं, रिप्रिकॉशंस रहते हैं. आई होप आई सेड दैट राइट. बट जो भी है, एक दिन ज़रूर यहाँ पे मैच देखेंगे इस ग्राउंड पे, मोहन बागान ग्राउंड पे. At the Salt Lake Stadium, the mecca of Indian football, we are back once again. Another season. Let's do this. Look at this place, man. It's so amazing. Good to be back here. बहुत दिनों बाद. It's good to be back. मैंने एक white color की जर्सी खरीदी, but अभी मैंने देखा कि this is XL. So I'm not sure if it's gonna fit me. देखते हैं, अंदर जाके पहन के ट्राई करेंगे. We'll see. But yeah, for now, let's go inside. So usually जो है मैं उस एंड पे बैठता हूँ. आज मैं यहाँ पे बैठा हूँ. We are sitting in a different angle and I think this is much more of a better angle to watch the game. You can see how clearly we can watch the game today. You can see यहाँ से शायद मुझे बहुत clearly दिखेगा. So obviously I'm not just here to watch Mohun Bagan. I'm also here to see the opponents that the team that they're playing today, that is Diamond Harbour FC. Diamond Harbour FC एक ऐसी team है. If you know who is the owner of this team, let me know in the comments. If you don't know who the owner of this team, do Google it. You will find a very interesting answer. But yeah, keeping politics aside and keeping everything aside, let's not include that. Let's witness the game today. Game में enjoy करते हैं. 15 minutes में kick off होने वाला है यहाँ पे at the Salt Lake Stadium. Mohun Bagan versus Diamond Harbour. The winner tops the table, goes to the next round directly. Durand Cup 2025. Let's go. Amazing displays of the Tifos. But yeah, it's time for the kickoff. Match abhi start hone wala hai. The players are out. I don't know if you can hear me properly, but बहुत शोर है यहाँ पे already. Here we go. Let's go. It's a typical banger of a goal by Anirudh Thapa. Alright, so Diamond Harbour have equalized. It's a very controversial goal क्योंकि लग रहा था ऑफसाइड होगा बट नहीं हुआ. Let's go! It is 2-1. Let's go! It is 2-1. We're back in the lead. Yeah, lovely! Nice, come on. Shoot! Alright, so it is half time here at the Salt Lake Stadium. It is 2-1 to Mohun Bagan right now. Goals from Anirudh Thapa and Jamie McLaren. And on the other end you had Luka Madsen who scored. It is very loud in here. I don't think I'm even audible, but yeah, the update is it's half time. 2-1 to Mohun Bagan. Alright, here we go. The players are coming out once again. It's time for the second half. Jason Cummings is coming on for Mohun Bagan. A penalty. That has to be a penalty. And it is a penalty. It's been given by the ref. Let's go. Red card. It's a red card. Crazy stuff. This match is pretty much over at this point. It's 3-1. Diamond Harbour are down to 10 men. And 3 goals to 1. Let's go. Come on, come on! Oh! Good try by Liston. Oh! 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 Woo! Ah, come on! What a goal! Oh my goodness. 5-1. Alright, full time here at the Salt Lake Stadium. It is 5-1 to Mohun Bagan, 5-1 winners. And what a one-sided match it was. Completely dominant performance from the Mariners here. Incredible stuff. The support, that the crowd, that the attendance here at the stadium today was incredible as well. Once again, great job with the Tifos. And yeah, 5-1 winners, Mohun Bagan top of the table, qualifying to the next round and will now face East Bengal in the big Kolkata derby, set for the next round in the quarterfinals. That is, so yeah, epic performance, epic victory, fully dominant, and classic Anirudh Thapa banger. Jamie McLaren is back, Jason Cummings on the score sheet, and Sahal, man, Sahal is so good with the ball on his feet. His dribbling is on a different level. Like, he is one of my favorite dribblers in Indian football right now, and today we saw the glimpses of that. We saw those signs, those amazing runs that he made, and he also got a goal for himself. So 5-1 winners, into the next round we go. And yeah, what a performance that was. Here we have the table toppers of this group, Mohun Bagan, into the next round. Diamond Harbour abhi tak completely out nahi hui hai. They will be second. They will finish second in the group, I think. So they still have a chance to make it to the next round. Dekhte abhi kya hota hai. Not really sure what happens from here, but this just goes on to show that they still have a long way to go compared to the big giants of Kolkata football. I was saying, Diamond Harbour FC still have a long way to go compared to the other Kolkata teams here. Of course, they are in the I-League, but that being said, they just showed that the difference between the big teams of Kolkata and the big teams of West Bengal and the big teams, and of course Diamond Harbour FC. Still a long way to go for them, but I think they will improve with time. It's time to say goodbye to Salt Lake Stadium for now. Pata nahi next time kab aunga, but for now it is goodbye. Let's go. Now that was my experience of Diamond Harbour FC. About 24 hours ago, Diamond Harbour FC made history by qualifying for the final of the 2025 Durand Cup. This team that I just witnessed lose 5-1 to Mohun Bagan just a couple of weeks back, live and with my own very own eyes, I witnessed this team lose, get thrashed at the Salt Lake Stadium, have made their way into the final by defeating East Bengal in the semi-finals, by defeating the other big giant of the Kolkata football scene. Now, of course, Diamond Harbour FC knew what they were getting into coming into the semi-final clash. They were facing a team that had just eliminated Mohun Bagan from the competition, East Bengal, of course. And everyone sort of went crazy thinking, this will be East Bengal's year. This will be the year that they finally lift the Durand Cup. But of course, that wasn't the case, as Diamond Harbour FC did the unthinkable by eliminating East Bengal, defeating them 2-1 last night. And of course, what a performance from the entire team, especially the goalkeeper, Vishad Michu, who made so many incredible saves, putting his body on the line. And yeah, just crazy to think how things quickly turn around, how quickly time changes, how quickly things happen, especially in the sport of football. But of course, up next, they will have to play the mighty Northeast United in the final, the defending champions, looking to make it 2 in a row. But can Diamond Harbour FC pull off one more upset in this tournament and maybe just lift the Durand Cup? Who knows? We'll have to find out and see on Saturday. With that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for the final video of this entire Durand Cup tour. The final video will be out shortly, but that's it for my recent experience from Kolkata, watching Mohun Bagan after a very, very long time. I was just glad overall to watch them win. So yeah, with that being said, thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.